Somewhere in the world, a massive
Neely, are you healing?
waiting to be found.
Yeah.
With technology
We should try
this
3's.
versatile,
No.
finding it is easy.
Come on, man. I've almost got full PvP gear.
That's another story.
I need
Like-
1, 2, 3, 4 pieces.
I don't heal 3's though.
You can heal 3's. I believe in you.
But I don't want to. And like, I have 1580 rating.
Well, then you've already got your 1500 rating for 3's then. That you
I
need.
don't care. I don't care about the achievement. I only get 2200 rating.
Why would you want to do that?
Do you see that? Okay, I'll open on them. You can just chill. Da 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 da. Bleeds. Get bled. Oh, he put that true. Got the phone off. Oh crap, he's bursting, dude. You need to do something. I'm flowing too. He's bursting.
Bro, kill him. He's only got 700k. Dude, Star Surge already.
I'm feared. What am I feared by? Oh, warrior fear. Huh. I'm flowing. I don't want to try and get in unless I actually have to. Warrior's going me, I can't DPS him. Unless...
I got a 513 rate item level now.
Okay, look at the nature lock.
Gosh, this dude's hitting hard.
Come see me for a little bit?
In a minute.
Alright, I'm not gonna wait for this.
Okay. I'm gonna get an overtime heal on you. I only have like 7Ks now. Got Theo. I'm feared. Clones. Gotta pounce me.
You don't gotta sell it, cause it's already sold. And you don't gotta roll one, cause it's already rolled. Check out my technique, just weed, let it fold. Shit, I've been smoking since I was 14
again, half.
years old. I had a dad who never smoked blunts, just bowls. Taught me how to blow O's, inhale through my nose. So if you see me smoking, don't blow my high. So hour one and we both go fly.
Fear, oh, he's having rack and blade on me.
Wait, are you guys doing 3's right now?
No, we're doing 2's.
Nah, you're doing 3's.
Yes, we are. We're doing 3's.
Well, because the only reason I'm asking this is because Druid is also in the runes of Lord Darien, along with you two.
I would never go double the same class unless it's 2's. I'm still not really a fan of it.
I'm like a florist, touring like a tourist. Godzilla flying on a Pegasaurus. Niggas know about it, even before I pull it out. I put some fire on it, and now they begging me to put it out. I'm in the hallway, rolling on the purple like I know the ins and outs. So
Give me burst.
what the fuck I like?
When's your blades up? Okay. Yeah, use your blades, I guess. My Heart of the Wild's up in like 3 minutes. And stun the warrior.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go play some StarCraft. Just kidding, I'm gonna go play
StarCraft.
Titanfall. You gotta play some of that Titanfall, go on that Titanfall grind.
I'm gonna be pounced, probably. Yeah, I'm
Are you guys
pounced,
gonna
dude.
go to Comic-Con this year?
No, why the heck would I do that?
No, I thought you were into that kind of stuff. I mean, you do play WoW.
Yeah, it's true. That was really close to you.
What about BlizzCon? Would you like to go to BlizzCon?
I would like to go to BlizzCon. That's like, I don't have enough money for that crap.
It's hard to get tickets, but I know an easy way to get them.
You a dealer or something?
Yeah, I'm a dealer. I got tips and tricks coming out my butthole right now.
It deals the tickets, dude.
Hit that refresh button like there's no tomorrow.
Reflection. Stormbolt. Cyclone.
Oh, I just got cloned. Is that fun? I can't burst yet. 25 seconds. I can
Alright,
burst.
later.
Oh.
Intimidating shout. Nature's breath. Cyclone.
God, dude. This is I'm stunned. I can't heal you. On again. Yeah, we're gonna be hibernated.
Shadow meld. Trinketed. Blade storm.
Aw. Die.
Intimidating shark skin. Cyclone. Cyclone. Disarm. Dash.
I can't DPS this warrior on me, dude. 100k crit, dude. Get him. Get him. Get him, Theo. Get him. Nice. Dude, that 100 hit crit though.
Oh, y'all motherfuckers thought it was over, huh? But it's not. You didn't count on a fallen angel getting back into the grace of God and coming after you. Y'all niggas ain't shit. Your producers ain't shit. Your fucking A&R ain't shit. I'll fucking wipe my ass with your demo deal. Yo, Diabolic, take this motherfucker's head off!
Go ahead and grip blocks. I'll snap your trigger finger in 6 spots. You'll have to lip lock with hypodermic needles to lick shots. I watch you topple flat. Put away your writtens and holler back. Can't freestyle, you're screwed off the top like bottle caps. Beneath the surface, I'm overheating your receiver circuits by unleashing deeper verses than pre-speaking churches. What you preach is worthless. Your worship defeat the purpose like President Bush taking bullets for the Secret Service. Beyond what y'all fathom, I shit on cats and jaw tap them. Show no compassion like having a straight-faced orgasm. Tour jack them, have his half a 10 bitch suck my friend's dick. In the meantime, you could French kiss this clenched fist. Diabolic, a one-man brigade spreading cancer plague. Fist fucking a pussy's face, holding a hand grenade. So if I catch you bluffing, faggot, you're less than nothing. I just had to get that stress off my chest like breast reduction.
You motherfuckers are nothing. You cannot harm me. I'll resurrect every aborted baby and start an army. Storm the planet hunting you down, cause I'm on a mission to split your body into 1 billion one-celled organisms. Immortal technique could destroy your religion, you stupid bitch.